Hi everyone, and welcome back to Stephanie Reacts. Well, at the moment, I'm in America. I came here on the 2nd of June. I'm here for 2 months. But I've done something today that I don't think much people has ever done. Separately, people do it all the time. Well, not actually the things I'm going to show you all the time, but one of the things they do all the time. But for me, I've done both. That's a rare thing. It is. So, right, travelling to America for 2 months. I'm not going to tell you how much, but that's going to cost a lot of money, that is. Then you've got spending money for the 2 months. Then, today, I'm playing my Switch, and I'm updating my Switch. But then, while that's updating, I bought myself the Switch 2. I did. It's not even opened yet. I'm excited. So I've got, like I said, my normal Switch. My normal Switch is updating. I've got my Switch 2. And I'm in America. Not much people's done that. Like travelled to another country and bought a computer system and going into that country for a while. But I've done it. So, yeah. Exciting. As travelling. Then spending money on a brand new computer for yourself. So, let's do a small unboxing. Like, I'm going to open the lid to show you inside it. But I'm not going to take anything out until that Switch updates itself. Then I'll probably try it. The brand new Joy-Cons. I'm excited. Switch 2. I think this is the dock underneath here. If it's not, I'll be complaining. Because the woman did say I'll get the dock with it, so the leads. I've already got these. The Joy-Con grips, like for these. Take the Joy-Cons there. And I'm actually hoping, underneath it, there we go. There's the dock. Plug. I can actually plug wire, that's a wire it is. And that's an American plug. I'm for the UK. But that can still go in handy for me. 1 minute, I need to tap my computer with my joystick. Or 1 minute. Right, as I was saying, where is it? Did I put that there? That's the joy grip. That's it here. The US plug. I probably may as well use it while I'm over in America. Because once I'm home, I won't need this plug. But I'll still keep it in case I go travelling again. Because last time I was here in America was in November for 2 weeks. First time in America. Now I'm here for 2 months. So, yeah. Right, the book. What is this? Right. That's the wee thingy to hold the Joy-Cons into, the wee grip. And this is the dock. I doubt my normal Switch can fit into it. Right. I think it's a bit big. I wonder what that wee slot is for. Is that just the fan maybe? Because he did show you in the trailers the fans at the back of the system. Or maybe this back comes off somehow. Because where do you put the plug and the charger? So this back has to come off. 1 second, I'll get back to these. Right, I managed to get it off. And here it goes there, the USB, no, USD and the charger part. So that's this. Put that on like that, I'm guessing. Yep. Clip that in. Nintendo Switch 2. That's it, unbox everyone. And I'm not going to put it on until that updates on my Switch. So everyone, I hope you liked this video. And please leave a like or a comment. And I'll see you soon. Until then, bye everyone.